All right, you guys, today is the day. I brined this turkey submerged for 2 days. We're gonna see if the brined turkey is juicier than the other turkeys I've been making. First, you wanna inspect your bird for any wild feathers. Get those off there. We're gonna spatchcock this bird. So go down both sides of the spine. Hang on, and sometimes you just need one of these. Look at this, y'all. That's the reason the Sawzall wouldn't cut through. I was like, what's going on here? Hold on. Are y'all seeing this? What in the world? It was a pregnant turkey. Oh my gosh. I guess the right thing to do is we're gonna cook us a little turkey too. So now we got the spine removed. The next important part, cut right down the sternum. The guided chop, just like this. Press down and through. We can split that whole bad boy open. Now we season it up, and on the smoker we go. A little olive oil. Be careful when you're rubbing, because those pieces of the spine are sharp. Now we're going with our Dano's Original. That's the green top. Hit it with a pop. Sprinkle generously. Now we're gonna turn it over. We're gonna sprinkle the other side. Olive oil for our binder. So we're gonna sprinkle generously with the Dano's Original. Beautiful thing about it is that it is low sodium. It's all natural, no sugars, no chemicals. It's real flavor, the way seasoning should be made. So we got our bird nice and coated. Let's go outside. All right, we're going on. I'm gonna turn it a little sideways. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get my probe here, poke it right into the thick part of the breast. We're gonna turn it. We're on at 275. You just grab the bull by the horn, shut it down, and it should be about 3 to 4 hours or so. And we almost forgot about the baby. Let's throw him on there right there like that. He'll be ready in like an hour. Thanksgiving dinner for one. Yeah, do a little bit of that skin, a little wrap around. Pretty hard to beat. Gonna get you some. All right, y'all, now it's time to grab the bull by the horns. It's at 161. We're gonna take it inside. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour. Let it continue to cook, just resting. It's time. We're gonna cut into this turkey. Oh my goodness. Look at all that juice just trapped up in there. This thing's been sitting for like an hour, y'all. We got distracted with other videos, and look at that. It's just juicy as can be. That's awesome. That's a good sign. I'm gonna cut this breast straight off. Look how juicy it is. You can just tell. Look at that, juicy and tender. Oh my gosh. I've been doing it wrong my whole life. Let's cut right in. Oh my goodness, look, we can tell it's juicy. Look at that. It's time for the bite. I will now never make another turkey unless it's brined. I mean, the turkeys I've been making are good, but the brine is the way to go. Brine your turkey. Happy Thanksgiving.